So we're doing apple pie. This is nice granny apples. So we need 4 eggs, 4 apples, coconut oil, sugar, some yogurt or milk you can substitute, and cinnamon and flour. The first step is to cut all the apples. Okay, so I'm peeling them first. Miss Granny, the sour apples. So the pie is gonna be sweet and sour. You can definitely substitute with other types of apples. Just add less sugar, because other apples usually much sweeter. Start cutting it. To small cubes. And put it in. Okay, so we need to melt 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. You can substitute it with butter as well. Okay. So we'll cut in small cubes our 4th apple. Okay. So next step is...
I want to mix the dinner.
Not yet.
When?
Not yet. Not yet. Not now.
Okay.
We'll break 4 eggs.
Well, that's a lot of eggs. Now?
4 small eggs. All eggs are quite small.
Now?
Yes, now.
Okay.
And we mix it.
Smash. It's okay. My baby brothers don't get.
Now, when you bake, I mean, this is just an apple pie, so it doesn't really matter what temperature the eggs.
I want to put it in my...
And the eggs needs to be in the room temperature. It's very important. And it's important to separate them as well, like whites and yolk. Okay, and just whip everything separately. Okay, so we're putting 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I will put 4 tablespoons of sugar.
Now mix it. Wait.
Really good, Michael.
I did it.
Thank you. Next step is to add our coconut oil, melted
Coconut oil? What's coconut oil? Coconut oil.
Yeah, it's oil from
You
coconut.
can have some coconut.
And
Is that like... What's that? What's ice cream?
you smell like coconut.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now apple? We added
No,
4
no.
eggs without 4 teaspoons of sugar.
Next
Now
step, we'll
coconut
add
milk.
vanilla.
I
We'll-
want to put
Yeah, we'll add vanilla yogurt.
vanilla
Okay.
yogurt. I want
It's okay. You
That
can add
is
any other
5.
yogurt as well.
5 tablespoons. That's
Okay.
a big one. So
Yeah, here it's 2 tablespoons. Yeah.
that's a lot.
One more, Mikey.
Okay.
Okay.
That's
Okay.
so 2 tablespoons.
Fall down. Okay. Can you have half more?
Okay. Wait.
That's it. That's good. That's good.
Stop.
No, that's too much. Okay. Okay. We just need. Okay. Yeah. So we got 3 tablespoons. Okay.
What else we need to put?
We need to add some cinnamon.
I want to put the cinnamon.
No, cinnamon maybe I should put. Okay. I just don't want you to put too much. Okay. Okay. So we just put
Now?
some cinnamon because we like cinnamon. Half tablespoon. Okay. I'm not adding any vanilla because we used vanilla yogurt, but definitely you can use add some vanilla yogurt.
I want to put it.
Sometimes when we don't have yogurt, I can actually substitute it with half a cup of orange juice. It works just fine. Our last step is to add some flour.
I want
okay?
to put some color. A little bit.
Yeah, okay. 1. Okay.
2.
Yeah, it's all-purpose flour. Okay, so it's 1 tablespoon. Okay, 2 tablespoons. Yep. 3. Okay, 4. 5. 6. Wait. Okay. Don't do that, please. Okay, we'll add 2 more tablespoons.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Some tablespoons.
7. Yep. 7. 8. Okay, just a second.
9.
No. Okay. 9 tablespoons. Just a second. Now I need to take some soda. Just a second.
Soda.
Just a second. Can you please come down? Baking soda. Okay. Waiting 1 teaspoon of it's fine. I just put it. Okay. Now mix.
Mix. Mix.
Yeah. Mix it. Yeah. It's very hard to mix. Yeah.
I can just mix it. How?
Meantime, you can turn the stove. Okay. So the consistency, it's quite thick. First step is to add all our apples. Okay, so these are 4 nice grainy apples. We'll mix it all.
What inside here?
As you can see, the major ingredient is going to be apples. Okay, and don't worry that you think that there's not enough of dough to cover all the apples. Okay, this is going to be just fine. Like that. Okay, now I'll just put it in a dish. Okay. Okay, so this one is 26 centimeters diameter. Alright, just covered. Now, if you like raisins, please add raisins. I mean, if you like your pie a little bit on the sweeter side, then add more sugar. Really, for us, the 4 tablespoons with mixed grain is more than enough. Obviously, you can always substitute it with other sweeteners. Okay, we'll just spread it all over. Okay, meantime, you can turn on the stove to 350. Okay, and we're gonna bake it for 40 minutes. Okay, now you can always decorate it with some more cinnamon or some cranberries on top, or apples. Okay, now we have some cranberries, so I can just sprinkle them. So it's going to the oven. Okay, so 40 minutes passed by, so we took it out of the oven, and it's ready. I can see that it's ready, but if you're not sure, you can always give a pinch with a match, and as you can see, nothing sticks to it. All right. So now all we do is open it up to cool it down. If you, I mean, we prefer to eat it warm, so pretty much we're gonna start eating it now. I'll just release the edges a little bit before I open it up. Okay. So we prefer to eat it warm, so I'm just gonna cut it right straight forward. Okay. So as you can see, the largest ingredient in the pie are apples. Which makes it a very easy of digestion. That's it.
Thank you.
Thank you.